Apsara is more than a dance. It is the soul of Cambodia. Born from ancient Angkor temples, Apsara dancers were believed to be heavenly spirits who brought peace, blessings, and beauty to the world. Every movement, every gesture has a meaning. The fingers tell stories. The eyes show emotion. The body expresses thousands of years of tradition. Through wars, loss, and change, Cambodian culture almost disappeared. But Apsara survived. It survived because our people remembered. We held on to our culture, our identity, and our pride. Today, Apsara is a symbol of who we are. Graceful, strong, beautiful. When we dance Apsara, we are not just performing. We are honoring our ancestors and keeping our culture alive. This is the story of Apsara, the heartbeat of Cambodia.
វិតតែអាចស្លាប់ហើយរស់មកវិញប៉ុន្តែសិល្បៈមិនអាចស្លាប់បានទេ